Today we have a problem. Find the values of expression a, 3 minus 1 times 3 to the power 1 plus 1. Okay, plus 1, we just double the power of 3 until we get 3 to the power 32 plus 1. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So what is a? So let's work together and find the solution. But as usual, I kindly call for your support. Please subscribe the channel to encourage me to keep working. I have been working really hard and I try to have video every day. So support me to help me to keep working. Okay, so let's work. Before we do, let's say I just observe and we see that 3 to the power 1 plus 1. Okay, time 3 squared plus 1. What we have? This is 3 to the power 1 times 3 squared, we get 3 cubed. And then 3 squared times 1, we get 3 squared. 3 to the power 1 times 1, we get 3 to the power 1. 1 plus 1 is 1. Okay, we have this. If we get 3 to the power 1 plus 1 times 3 squared plus 1 times 3 to the power 4 plus 1, what we get? This will be, I want to replace this one with 3 cubed plus 3 squared plus 3 to the power 1 plus 1 times 3 to the power 4 plus 1. What do we have here? 3 cubed times 3 to the power 4, we get 3 to the power 7. This is the first one, this is a second one. Okay, we get 3 to the power 7. 3 squared times 3 to the power 4, we get 3 to the power 6. 3 to the power 1 times 3 to the power 4, we get 3 to the power 5. And then now, 3 to the power 4 times 1, 3 to the power 4 plus, this is for whole of this one multiplied by 1, which is we have 3 cubed plus 3 squared. 1. Okay, now you see the patterns. Whenever the power here is 7, then it's go down by 1 unit and another 1 unit and another 1 unit until 3 to the power 0. So then over here, we would get all of this multiplied by 3 to the power 32 times 3 to the power 16 times 3 to the power 8 until 3 to the power 1. Then we would get and the highest power, and after that just going down by 1 unit. So we would have here 3 to the power 32 times 3 to the power 16 times 3 to the power 8 times 3 to the power 4 times 3 squared times 3. This is equal 3 to the power 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. Because we have a to the power n times a to the power m is a to the power because of that one. So right here we would have 3 to the power 63. So add it up 32, 48, 56, 60, 62, 63. So 3 to the power 63. A is equal. This one is 2. So this will be 2 times 3 to the power 63 plus 3 to the power 62, 3 to the power 61, square plus 3 plus 1. Yeah. And then now I want to divide by 2. I would have a divided by 2 is equal, on the right side no more 2. So this is going to be 3 to the power 63 plus 3 to the power 62. 3 to the power 61 plus 3 squared plus 3 plus 1. Okay, that's good. Now I want to multiply both sides by 3. So multiply both sides by 3. By 3. What we have on the left side, I have 3 times a over 2, and on the right side is 3 times 3 to the power 63 plus 3 to the power 62 plus 3 to the power 61 until 3 squared plus 3 plus 1. We multiply, that means we distribute. We have 3 times 3 to the power 64 is 3 to the power 3 is 3 to the power 64 because this is 1, right? And 1 times 3 to the power 62 is just 3 to the power 63 and so on. So now here we would have 3a over 2 is equal, multiply we get 3 to the power 64 plus 3 to the power 63 plus 3 to the power 62 plus 3 to the power 61 plus 3 cubed plus 3 squared plus 3. Okay, so now I see that here, if I get 1 into this one, if I plus 1, then I make this right side will be a over 2. Same with this one, so this one will be a over 2. So that means the equation will become, okay, on the left side I have 3a over 2 plus 1. On the right side will be 3 to the power 64 plus a over 2. Now good. I want to move a over 2 to the left side, so I have 3a over 2 minus a over 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 to the power 64. If you move this one from the right side, it's carry positive. We move to the left side, it's carry negative. Okay. This one, 3 half a divided by 1 half a, which is, this is a. And then I move 1 to the right side. So this one become negative 1. So this is going to be 3 to the power 64 minus 1. This is the answer. Very cool. So we finished the problem today. A is equal to 3 to the power 64 minus 1. Here, this is 3 to the power 64 minus 1. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Please subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.